Ano, amoy. Texture. Kay isa, dali.
Parang karne.
Oo, yun nga. Pero it's vegetable tofu. Go, go, go. Oh, ano lasa? Sarap,
Parang may
no?
curry na spicy.
Parang spicy. And then yung...
Go, go.
Parang siyang meat eh.
Okay.
Okay naman siya. Chewy.
Yung amoy, kaya mo?
Amoy. Medyo strong siya.
Yeah, ano yung strong yung smell niya.
Smell.
Yung texture, yung itsura niya parang ano nga, yung parang meat.
Meat.
Yung lasa naman. Spicy.
Spicy na.
Spicy.
Tama na ako.
I like the
No,
smell.
you like the smell?
Yes, parang
Hindi, pag sanay ka sa ano, pag sanay ka sa
yung smell niya. Gusto ko yung smell.
Okay, tikman mo na, tita.
ano, hindi ko sabihin mo curry spice.
Texture.
Texture niya parang meat.
Taste.
Ang taste niya, spicy, sweet and spicy.
So, would you try it again?
Ako gusto ko siya.
Again?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it again.
Would you like to try it again?
Yeah, maybe. The smell.
Okay naman, pero masarap talaga.
Lasang sa Denmark.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, import. Mabango po siya.
Nababanguhan ka? Okay. Sige, kunin mo na. Okay. Okay
Yung
naman.
texture po medyo weird.
Okay, yung taste.
Yung taste okay naman po, pero manghang.
Would you like to try it again? Okay, let you out. Texture.
Malambot.
Okay, taste.
Masarap siya.
Smell. Smell. Ano?
Okay naman yung amoy.
Okay, pero would you like... Okay. Go, go. Texture.
Medyo soft naman siya.
Okay, taste.
Masarap.
Amoy.
Sakto lang.
Okay.
Hindi naman siya mabaho.
Tatry mo siya. 2,
What
3,
is
go.
this made of?
Vegetable tofu. Texture.
It's a bit hard.
Okay, smell.
Smell is good.
Tapos taste.
It's a bit spicy.
Would you like to try it again?
Okay.
Go. Smell. Ano smell, tita?
Parang pungent.
Okay. Texture, try mo.
Smooth naman.
Taste. Ano lasa for you?
Nasa Malaysian.